Okay, so the axle's out. This side is just as bad. You can see where the water was just sitting in that saddle, the leaf spring and the coil spring saddle. I'm going to go ahead and cut off all this fender bracketry. I need to get a good measurement on this thing, and it's kind of too heavy to lift anyhow, so I can always tack these back on later once the new axle's in place. Okay, so the new axle's in. My buddy Tony, he drilled out the holes. There's two nubs on this leaf spring that it goes into. And I got the spring back up where it needs to be. I got the shock in place, and then this is gonna pull back and get bolted up here. So overall it went pretty good. This axle is it's 1 inch longer than the old one, but it's the closest thing I could find without having to get a custom made. So it's a 1/2 inch on each side. That my wheel's gonna be outward a little bit, not much, but overall, pretty happy so far. Okay, so everything's hooked back up. Obviously sits a little higher than before. So take it for a test drive. Hey, this is Mr. Bill. I'm wrapping up project the trailer. I'm not sure how much video I have before this, but I replaced the axle and I had to buy these fenders. They came in 2 pieces, the inner and then this outer. So I welded those together, and then I used crates and blocks and magnets and got everything in place. I went with a perch on the axle, and then 3 pieces of rebar that were welded to the perch and then to the fender. Give everything a coat of paint, and that should just about wrap up, or that will wrap up this latest project.